Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to CLIFFTIPS. Today, we're diving into the world of batch files and exploring one of the essential best practices. Why does commenting matter? All right, let's start with the basics. Take a look at this simple batch file. It may seem straightforward now, but as your scripts become more complex, like this line of script, the need for comments becomes increasingly vital. Remember, comments act as friendly reminders within our script, guiding us through the code and helping us recall the purpose and functionality of each section. For example, here we have a welcome message and some variable assignments. Without comments, it might not be immediately clear what each section is doing. How to comment in batch files? Now, let's get practical. Here's how you can add comments in batch files. Simply use the rem keyword or double colon followed by your comment. Just like this. Rem stands for Remark in Batch Scripting. By adding comments, you create signposts in your code, making it easier to navigate and understand. Why so descriptive? Now, it's not just about adding comments, it's about being descriptive. A good comment should do more than state the obvious. For instance, instead of just saying, display a welcome message, you could elaborate. Display a personalized welcome message to the user. Why does context matter? Context matters. As your code evolves, you might forget why you made certain decisions. Comments serve as breadcrumbs, helping you retrace your steps and understand the reasoning behind each line. Future-proofing your code. Imagine revisiting this batch file after a few months. Without comments, it could feel like deciphering a code from an ancient civilization. But with well-placed comments, you're essentially leaving a roadmap for your future self and others. A guide for collaboration. Moreover, if you're collaborating with others, comments become a crucial communication tool. They provide insights into your thought process and help your teammates understand and contribute effectively. Avoiding confusion. In the context of coding, avoiding confusion is a crucial aspect of writing clear and understandable code. This involves using clear and descriptive variable names, organizing code in a logical manner, and providing comments to explain complex sections. By doing so, you reduce the likelihood of misunderstandings and make it easier for yourself and others to navigate, maintain, and build upon the code in the future. So, there you have it. Commenting is not just about documenting code, it's about fostering clarity, understanding, and collaboration. In the next video, we'll explore more best practices for batch files, so stay tuned and happy coding.